This one's my favorite for low back pain, but it's a little challenging to set up at first. So watch me do it first and then you do it at home. The ball is going to be pretty far away from the wall because our legs are going to be totally straight. And you kind of just fall gently onto the ball. And your bottom leg, because we're going to be on our sides, your bottom leg is the leg that's going to be forward on the wall. Your top leg is going to be backwards. And this is going to give us a stable tripod. If you do top leg forward, I don't even want to do it. That's not it. So bottom leg is forward, top leg is back. And we're kind of hugging the ball with our armpit and our hip. Lace your fingers behind your head, make sure that head is supported. I don't want to see the front of your neck and your jaw like trying to hold your head up. I don't want to see the front of your neck and your jaw super engaged. Just have it like this. And then we're going to crunch up. So as we do with every ab exercise, that pubic bone and belly button are trying to come together. They're crunching. They're holding tight together. Belly button is engaged and back, like you're sucking in. You're trying to bring the belly button back towards your spine. And that pubic bone and the belly button are coming together. We'll do 15 on one side. And I like to, between reps, hug on the other side. So it's kind of like you're doing left oblique, right oblique, left oblique, right oblique. And I swear, once you do 3 sets of 15 on both sides, your low back is going to feel so juicy and mobile. But you are going to feel a burn in your obliques. I feel like that was 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we're going to slide on over. So our bottom leg is forward, top leg is back. Same thing. We're hugging on the left side now, and we're coming up on the right. Here. So you should be feeling it over the hip bone, in the oblique, maybe even in the low back, but it shouldn't be like a pinching. If it's a pinching, make sure your pelvis is neutral and you're not like this, you're not like that. Make sure that pelvis is neutral and those lower abs are engaged. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Oh, this is the best part.